Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Pittstown from this evening to late Thursday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 6 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 11.4 feet. Flood stage is 12.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage tonight, and continue to rise to near 14.1 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow evening. Impact at 13.0 feet. Portions of Pennsylvania Route 724 along the Berks/Chester County line are closed due to high water, specifically Union Township and Berks County and North Coventry Township in Chester County.